welcome back to welcome back to Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a Casetify. And basically what this is a case, and basically what these are some cases that you can use for your iPhone and also for your AirPods as well. So we see the one that we got right here from this brand, and we guys in my previous video actually reviewed a lot of different brands. And if you guys in my previous video actually reviewed a lot of different cases from this brand, but this time I do have a very unique kind of case. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So obviously as usual this was sent to me as a gift from the brand. But when you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So like I mentioned this time they do have a special one. So I have to take it out. There's two things in here. So the first one that I got right here is like a Snorlax case. If you can see it. So the first one that I got right here, if you can see, is actually really cool. It's like a Snorlax design case, and they do have like the Pokemon logo on the side. And as usual, they do have the Casetify logo. And this was basically one of their collabs they did with the Pokemon brand. And this was basically one of the collaboration that they did with the brand, Pokemon brand. And this was basically one of the collaborations that they did with the Pokemon brand, which is pretty cool. So if you guys turn to the back, here's basically what the back part looks like. So if you think about it, this is really cool as a collectible option if you guys don't even want to use it. And right here I do have the other one. And you see this one right here is basically like an AirPods Pro case. But let's take out both of them to show you guys what it looks like first. So I'll just push it out. And we'll just take this out. And you basically want to peel off this part right here as well. Once you guys do that, here is basically what the case looks like. So as usual for all the cases, like I mentioned, they do use recycled material, and it is a high quality material when you guys do feel it. So we have to take out this part right here. Here's basically what the case looks like from the back, and here's the inner layer. And throughout the side, they do have like a high quality recycled material. They do have the button on the side, same thing for this side. And they do have the little holes in the bottom for you to plug in the cable and opening for the speaker as well. Same thing as the usual cases. And for this case, it's slightly different than the one that I'm currently using from the brand. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So here's the one that I'm currently using. If you see, it has a magnetic design on here in the back because it does work as a MagSafe charging option. And right here we do have the usual brand logo. And throughout the slide, if you see, we do have the extra protection because this one right here is like the Ultra Impact case, where for this one right here it's just an Impact case. So when you guys compare both of these right here, this one is definitely much more durable and much more high quality. But for this design, it's actually pretty cool, especially if you guys do like Pokemon. And also the way how they design these cases, they are drop protected as well. Like I mentioned, for this one in particular, it definitely had a lot more protection in terms of drop protection than this one. But if you guys do end up dropping this one, it is fine as well. It doesn't have as much protection compared to this one. But let's put this one on to show you guys what it looks like before I actually show you guys the AirPods Pro case. So I basically want to take this part out and put on the new one. So all you need to do is just snap it in very easily. And then once you guys snap it on, here is basically what the product looks like. If you see the design of the case, it works perfectly for my blue phone. And when you guys do feel the side, it actually feels pretty nice. It does give you guys a really good grip. Same thing as all the other cases as well. So this is what the bottom part looks like once you guys do put it on. I believe for the Pokemon cases, they do have this available in other phones as well. So not only do they have this available for iPhone 13 Pro, but they do have this available for like iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the list goes on. And they do have this available in different design as well. So if you guys don't want Snorlax, they do have other ones. So that is basically what the case looks like for this one. Now let me show you guys the AirPods case. So you see on top we do have the brand logo. And for the one that we got right here is like a Pikachu design. They have this available in other design as well. So definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But when you guys turn to the back, they actually have a very nice design as well. And this one also works really well as a collectible option if you guys want to keep it for memories. But once you guys open up, first thing inside, they do provide you guys the care instruction to teach you guys how to use it and how to maintain it. And right underneath that, we do have the actual product. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, inside they provide you guys the sticker that you stick on the product if you guys do need to. And then right here we do have the actual product. You may see we do have the brand logo, and we also have the actual little Pikachu right here. And inside they do give you guys a little keychain option for you to hook it onto your backpack or something else. And if you guys turn to the back part right here, they also have the Casetify logo. So all you do is just take this out and just stick it onto the actual case. I believe the material that they use on here is also recycled material as well. But if you guys do stick it on, just go like this, push it all the way. Once you guys do that, do the same for top. And then once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like from the front. And then here is the back. So the back part, you guys want to make sure you guys put it on correctly like this, where they actually have the opening, where you just go like this, really easily. If you see on the bottom, we also have the slot where you plug in the cable to recharge it. So this is basically what the AirPods Pro case looks like. Very easy for you guys to put it on, and you definitely do have the protection on here. Even though it's not the same as the impact case kind of protection and etc. But you see it definitely looks pretty nice when you guys do put it on. And in the very bottom of the package, there is one more thing. So if you guys open up, they do provide you guys the wet wipes for you guys to clean the product if you guys do need to. So for the one that I got right here, they provided me 6 of them. So this is only one of many other collaborations that they did with this brand. So for this one, it is the Pokemon collaboration, but they do have like the Harry Potter one. They also have like a Blackpink one. And then they also have like a few other ones with other celebrities, and I think they did like a Bored Ape one as well from what I remember. But that is basically everything that's on product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for a high quality case, either for your iPhone or your AirPods device. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.